वेलकम टू योर चैनल डेटा ऑन क्लाउड। आज के टॉपिक में हम सीखने वाले हैं कुछ डेट रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स इन एक्सेल। सो आई हैव ऑलवेज कम अक्रॉस some date formatting issues, right? Since today is 11th of July, ठीक है, 2025. So I have some operation to do on it. Let me have the input here, 11th July 2025. Okay. So पर मैं यहाँ पे जाके देख रहा हूँ तो the rest of the cells here you see are in general column. Since I have entered some date, so Excel recognize it as a date. Now this cell has become formatted as a date cell. D2 also became a date, but C3 is general because we haven't put in it here. So Excel had not recognized it yet. So my doubt is, okay, I have entered 11th of July 2025, and if I want to check what is the day in this cell, what I'll do, I'll check the day right from this date. Oops, it is 7th, but we have entered 11th of July 2025. We intentionally entered 11th of July 2025, but the day, the formula is showing the 7 is the date in this cell, day in this cell, not 11. So now let me take month. I go and enter some month. What is month? It is 11th of. But this is not right as per our input, right? As per our input, this output is not correct. It should be 7 and the day should be 11. But let's check year. Right. So year is correct. Let me add one. Let me confirm the month name. So if I go here and how can I get month name? So I can convert this cell into text, and I want name of the month. Then you can have for M, it will give the entire name of the month. If you enter, let's say, text and the MM, it will show you the number. If you enter 3 times M, it will show you the short form of the month. Right, now you got it. So what happens when we have entered the date like this, and by the time we are entering input, we have entered like 11 July 2025, but it seems there is some issue, right? So this is nothing but your original setting in the Excel. This is okay, but now let's just try some reverse way. Let's take the 7th first, right? 11 later on, then year. So this I'm entering it as same 11th of July, right? But in D2, D1, I'm just entering a date in the form in such a way that it resembles with the setting, Excel setting, right? So again, if I go and check date, day, okay, now it shows correct, right? Month, okay, it is correct only. Text and July, absolutely correct. absolutely right. So what does it mean? I wanted to enter the 11th of July 2025. This was my intention, right? I wanted the date like 11th of July 2025. So 11th of July 2025. So I'm getting this output when I'll enter the date in the format TD YY. Okay. And this was the TD YY. Okay. Right. So the doubt was, when I'm entering a date, in which format should I enter it, right? So that I'm getting the desired output. This is my desired output. So at the time I'm entering, let's try and enter something. No, 1st of January. Let's say 1st of November, 1st of August, right? 1st of August. So I should enter August 1st. Okay. So this will give me the 1st of August 2025. And if I try date 1st August, this one, it will give me the reverse, right? It means the date format at this time is MMDDY, right? So what happens when I intentionally want to enter like 1st of August 2025, and since there are no formulas here, I'm not getting correct information about what Excel has recognized it, right? सॉरी, थोड़ा तुम पहले ही करना चाहिए था मैंने, बट नो प्रॉब्लम, राइट। अभी इसमें एक्सेल ने क्या अज्यूम किया है इसको, दैट वी डोंट नो, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे एंटर किया है ये डेट, तो यहाँ पे आउटपुट देखिए हमें पता चल रहा है 8 इज अ डे, राइट, 1 इज अ मंथ. The Excel recognize it as TDMM. Right. ठीक है, तो अगर whatever input I am entering, and my task is to convert this to this cell to what, mm, dd and yy, right. Okay, so initially it was both are separate. So actually this is the standard or the setting available at this point in Excel is MMDDY, right? So I have marked the appropriate setting here, but I want DD MM and YY. Okay. So I have to go and change it here. DD MM YY, right? So it is changed, right? But if I go and check the what it has recognized, it okay. So day, I wanted it to be correct. I wanted 1st of August. Since by the time I have entered, let me color this one. These are the inputs given by me, right? These are the inputs. These are the inputs given by me, and this is the wherever I have applied uh, formula. I'm gonna just highlight them. So green cell contains the formula, right? Blue contains the input, right? Again, this cell's gonna have formulas, right? Month. What should be month here? इसमें month कौन सा है? I know कि mm is the date format, so first is the month, right? Okay. Let's confirm with the one. What exactly? Right. Mm should be January, correct? And year. You guys know it, right? Now let's check here. Since we have applied a formula on this and converted whatever that this input is, I'm converting this to the TDMMYY. Look at here in the formula. Okay. So I've converted it into a TDMMYY, and in this the date is the day is 6, right? So day. Okay. The date is okay. What happened? We know intentionally I want the date 1st of August. This was my intention to have it, right? Have this as a date. So in this formula section, it is correct. First, right? But when I see here, right? यहाँ पे mm है, तो mm is first, dd is 8, yy is 25. So dd is 8, but I have converted its positions, right, to this. I think the format is same, right? And then the format is same in English. It is just that this is my input. और जब मैं input दे रहा था, that time my intention was this first is the date, 8 is the month, right? This here also my intention is the first is the date and 8 is a month. I have converted it by using this formula, right? And now this cell has the value of day as 1, month as 8, month name as Correct. I think there were lots of doubt about this in my head too, and I thought I should clear it with you guys. And that's how I think. I think doubt is clear as of now. If you have any doubt regarding dates, please let me know in the comments and make sure to subscribe and share this video. Thank you. See you again.